Welcome back. I'm talking about TED Talk storytelling, the book, 23 storytelling techniques from the best TED Talks. And part one, I reviewed the book, which is short, less than 60 pages. Part two, I'm going to give you my own storytelling. So it all began when I was a young man, 20 years old. And like every young man, I was living on my own, had my own apartment, and I was single. And I went out one night to a under 21 club. Me and my friends, we were dancing, having fun, and I met a girl, and I fell in love instantly. So when I got home, I called my grandmother because we were very close, and grandmothers always offer the best advice. And my grandmother looked like one of the Golden Girls, the grandmother. I think her name was Cecilia, maybe I'm getting her name wrong, but the cute little short one. Anyway, that was my nanny. She was amazing, the best advice. And she said, if, you want to make more money, you need to get a different job. So you should probably try sales. So I thought, well, geez, I never sold anything before, but my grandmother's never wrong. So I went to Goodwill and I got a suit, a tan one, and I started on one end of the Manheim Pike and I went all the way down, and I went in every dealership to get a car salesman job. And everyone said, too young, no experience, too young, no experience. So I was at the last store, Chapman Ford of Lancaster, and they had me in an office and they said, why should we hire you? You don't have any experience. You're real young. Have you sold anything before? And I thought to myself, I did sell some stuff. So when I was like 15 to probably 18, every summer I would work at a roadside stand selling fruit and produce. And one time, the owner called me and said, hey, I bought a whole tractor trailer load of cantaloupes for a nickel a piece. Do you think you could sell them? And I said, yes, I would love them. Send them to me. Can I sell them for $1? And he said, sure. That's, an amazing return on his investment. So make a long story short, I worked at a mall in New York, and there was 2 lanes in and 2 lanes out. And then I had a cement median. So when the cantaloupes showed up, I took them and I filled these crates, milk crates, and I stacked them up, in the center of the median there. And, my outfit that I would wear to work would be just a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt. So I took the t-shirt off and I wrote Cantaloupe Man, 2 for $1, free samples, front and the back. And then I grabbed a knife and I would cut the cantaloupe in half, flip out the seeds, slice it, and I was handing it to the cars as they were driving by, or as they were waiting for the light to change. Anyway, make a long story short, they would pull out, turn around, and come back in, and I sold all the cantaloupes. And that's when Chapman Ford reached their hand across the table and said, welcome to the car business. You're joining our team. So that's the story that got my start in the car business over 20 years ago. And that's the story that I'm going to share on my next presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to refine it also using the techniques in this book, but that's the basics of it. So for your next presentation or your next meeting, try to find a story, a personal story with interest that leaves your audience thinking and knowing a little bit more about you. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk with you on the next book. Have a great day.